In this lesson, I am going to show you how to create a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. First of all, let's create our text. After creating and formatting your text, you're going to head over to Effect Controls. Now within Effect Controls, you are going to search for Transition. Now within Transition, what you're looking for is the Wipe Transition. So you're going to simply select that and drag it onto the text tile. And then increase the duration of the effect depending on how long you want the effects to last. Now when I play this back, you can add sound effects to make it more realistic. If the effect is too fast, you can increase the duration of the wipe effects on the tile. Now when I do that and I play this back, you see how slow it is. But if I reduce the duration of the effect and play it back, you're going to see how fast the effect will be. So that is it, guys. That is how to create a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, and also do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.